Hi everyone, I hope you had a great weekend. So today we're going to learn how to draw these bluebells with a butterfly, and these were requested by Molly, who wanted to learn how to draw some flowers. So we thought these would be nice. So that's my one, and then Millie did that one there as well. So I'm going to hand the camera over to Millie as usual, and I'm going to get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, can you see with shadows if you can? First thing you need to do with your bluebells is get the stems in. Millie, can you lift that up a little bit so that I've got room? Thank you. So we're going to do a curl like this because bluebells tend to curl over. And then we're going to do another stem up this way and out. And that's going to be our two main bluebell flowers. Now I'm going to do the leaves. So bluebells have nice, thick leaves like that. I'm going to do another one here. Going back so it makes it look like it's folded over, and I'm going to do another one here. So you can do as many leaves as you want, but I've kind of positioned mine so it's over on the left hand side so it looks really pretty, and you can see the bluebells folding over. So this is how you draw a bluebell. They could not be easier. If you do a little line coming out like this, so that's their little stalk, and then you draw quite simply a bell. Like so. And you can do a few of those the whole way up. So I'm going to get a few done. 3. And another one. And you could do some of them big and some of them small. And as they get closer to the end of the stem, they're not quite open. So we're just going to do a couple of little buds like this. Okay. So now they have to be attached to their stalk. So we're going to do tiny little stems on each of the bluebells like that. And then your stalk, as it comes back, everywhere where there's a bluebell, there's another kind of a little flick up like this. And you can also add some little curly, what would you call those little stems that come off them as well. Okay, so I'm going to do the one on this one here, and we might have a one facing towards us over here. So if we do a little shape like this and have the stem at the back of it, it looks like he's facing towards us. That's a little fat one, but he's kind of cute too. I'm going to do another little skinny one and another one. Try and make their little petals kind of bend up the way as well as you go. Okay, and then we're going to do the back of that stem. And that's how you do your bluebells. So the next thing I'm going to do is have a little butterfly over here, and he's going to be flying. So to do my butterfly, I'm going to do well, maybe he might be on top of the stem maybe. So we're going to do a little circle for his head and had a couple of eyes. And a tiny little body like this, and then we're going to give him his wings. So we're going to go straight back and then scallop out the edges to about there, and then join that up to his body. So that's his front wing, and then we're going to give his back wing here up a little bit higher, and then scallop the edges in, and then he needs some antennas. What's he missing? Legs. So you can give him some kind of like little delicate legs like that. This works really well in watercolor or coloring pencils or whatever you have to hand. Don't be worried about experimenting with different colors, and you can do whatever pattern you want on your butterfly. Okay, so for your bluebells, you want to use some blue. But what we found was quite nice was to kind of leave a little highlight on each side like this, and then to go in with a slightly darker blue and draw little lines, and that just makes it look really delicate.
You can see it in this one.
You can see it in that one over there. And then in the ones where they're open, if you make it a little bit darker inside the flower, it looks like that. The other thing we did, we go back over to the one that we finished, is when we were doing our stalks or our leaves, we did one side of them light green and the other side dark green. And this just adds a little bit of tone and shadow and makes them look more 3D. And you can do any colour butterfly you want, any pattern. So my one is blue because I thought it would be nice with the bluebells. And Millie went with an orange one. What kind of butterfly is that, Mel?
A red admiral.
A red admiral. Gorgeous. Okay, Molly, I hope you enjoyed the video. And guys, we've got a lot of requests to get through this week. But if you have any more, just shout them out under our videos. Thanks. Bye-bye.